Hello, everyone. How's it going today? This is my dinner. You're going, what is she having? Potato salad and hickory honey baked ham, hot Atlanta sandwich. That's extra mustard. Now for dessert, I've got a choice. Do I eat the cream cheese Danish from a lady named Anna who's from France? Or do I eat the chocolate pudding? It's vanilla pudding or custard with chocolate chips in it and a pastry. And they're both similar, but not. Oh, and by the way, both of the ladies are from France. They speak French. So, Annie, I've known for about 20 years. This lady I just met 3 weeks ago. But they're both pastries fantastic. So if you're ever in Douglasville till October 24th, come by the Douglasville Market and get you some pastries. They're so yummy. Oh, and the grease in the background? Watch my live tomorrow and you'll see me use it. Probably going to go live about 1 o'clock. So, we'll see y'all then. Bye.